Good afternoon. My name is Stephen Pham, and I'm a local representative from a solar company within the Valley. Today, we have a solid investment for your wallet and your well-being. But before we can look at that, let's take a step. Let's take a look at the two different types of energy sources. There is non-renewable and renewable energy source. Non-renewable energy source cannot be replenished within our lifetime. An example which is coal. On the other hand, renewable resources can take advantage of nature's perpetual motions. An example in this case is the sun or solar energy. Electric companies in our area mostly utilize coal to produce the energy to power your house. Renewable source like solar is superior to non-renewable sources because it is cost effective, it will increase the home value, and it will also help save the environment and the public health. So first and foremost, solar energy is cost effective. It only requires a small initial investment, and with the help of the federal tax credit, your entire solar energy cost will be reduced by 30%. David Roper, a Virginia Tech professor, created a spreadsheet to accurately determine the cost benefits of a solar panel system in the valley. For example, a 7 kilowatt system capable of producing half of the electricity of an average household will cost about $22,000 after the 30% tax incentive. With a down payment of 10% and a 5% interest rate, the entire system can be paid off in 10 to 11 years. In 25 years, your solar panels will produce $56,000 in utility saving. That is a 154% return on investment. And according to costofsolar.com, since solar panel is a modular technology, you can add however many you like and whenever you like. So since utility rate is projected to increase 5% annually, your savings will grow over time. Next, solar panels will increase your home value. They will retain your home value as it will increase with the implementation of the system. But when it comes time to selling your house, you will be getting nearly 100% of your investment back. It is better than any remodeling project available. There are different types of solar panels that will also embellish your roof. For example, the Tesla roof. It provides a better aesthetics and adds a modern look to your house. Last but not least, solar panels help save the environment and public health. First, it will reduce the carbon footprint. According to a study done by U.S. Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory in 2012, if 80% of the country's electricity is produced by renewable energy by 2050, global warming emissions could be reduced by 81%. Global warming is a huge issue. Global warming is the cause of the ice melting in both the north and south poles, and in turn it rise to sea level. It produce a stronger storm and flooding. Another study done by NASA shows that industrial activities is the main cause for the rise of carbon dioxide levels from 280 to 400 parts per million in the last 150 years. As a result, the human-produced greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, have caused much of the observed increase in Earth temperature over the past 50 years. By switching to solar, we can reduce the carbon emission produced by power plants. And last but not least, solar panels can help increase the public health. As stated by the Union of Concerned Scientists, the air and water pollution emitted by coal and natural gas power plants is linked to breathing problems, neurological damage, heart attacks, and cancer. In conclusion, solar energy is the next big step for homeowners. They are cost effective, they increase the value of the home, and they help save the environment and the public health. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, only 4.5 of energy comes from renewable sources in our region of Virginia and Carolinas, compared to the national's average of 13%. So as you can see, there are room for improvement for homeowners in Virginia when it comes to implementing solar renewable energies, such as solar. We can we can take one step at a time or one panel at a time when it comes to implementing solar energy to your home. So I encourage you, start your path towards renewable energy today. Think about your future, your children. Would you want them to suffer from breathing problems caused by power plants? Thank you.